How's it going, guys? This is Marine Devil Dog, and I am here playing Battlestations Pacific. Now, I have just now downloaded this game. I have no idea what this game is. I mean, clearly it shows planes and stuff, and that's the extent of my knowledge on this game. Now, what I wanted to do was to play this and have you guys watch as I fail on this that I have no idea what it is. So, might as well get on with it, right? As soon as this loading screen is done.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
But as I said, I have no idea what this is. I'm just looking here to see if there's... There it is. Okay. Okay. I guess to save it for like 2 things I changed. Okay. US. Okay.
At Midway, we stopped the Japanese in their tracks by sinking 4 of their carriers. The blow stunned them and gave us a chance to penetrate deep into areas under their control. We landed on Guadalcanal and Tulagi and have transferred fighter and bomber aircraft to the bases there to protect our supply lines. But already the Japanese Navy plans to strike back. Nagumo and his carriers are moving south towards us. The forthcoming battle will be a major test of our Navy's air power.
Awesome. Already off to a good start. I love history in any form, especially military history. So this is cool to me. Okay, so I have to deal with the incoming Japanese. And... Okay. Cool. Okay, well, this is the only... Might as well do regular. I ain't no rookie-ass motherfucker. Alright. Oh, is this the military ball? Oh. Is she gonna start singing? Okay, good. I will record as long as possible. Run, Forrest, run! That guy's not even walking on the planks. I go straight to the middle of the road? That would be the worst decision you could ever make. Look, someone's shooting us. Let's lay down in the middle of an open plain. pretty cool. Am I playing now? Wow. Jet smoke. Really? That was a very long cutscene. That was like 5 minutes worth of cutscene.
Enemy valves are inbound, sir. This is Wildcat Squadron. We're ready to engage. Give them a warm welcome, Wildcats. Roger that. We'll give them a welcome they'll never forget.
They probably will forget if they're dead. Okay. This is already too confusing.
Oh boy, we got another one. We've got him. Enemy squadron is down. King Leader's flight deck has been penetrated. We've got emergency firefighters in place, but we're missing. On-deck operations are on hold while we clean it up. Fighters, stay on top of the enemy. Roger that. We'll sweep the skies clean of Japanese planes. Incoming!
There's a lot of enemies.
Enemy plane is going down. Enemy fire is being directed at us. Enemy aircraft incoming. We've blown them out of the sky, sir.
Really?
Fox to King, are you hurt? King has multiple wounds.
Gee.
Are you able to continue? Carry on as normal, Fox. We don't need backup. We're taking fire!
Okay, straight into enemy fire.
That was a lucky shot. Our rudder's out. We've lost directional control.
I'm going after you. I'm gonna get you.
Enemy aircraft incoming. They're attacking with everything they have.
Stop turning. I swear if he does one more roll, he's gonna keep going. I'm not dealing with this. I'm rolling off.
Check your course, Enterprise. You nearly hit us. We've taken a hit to the rudder.
no way that I didn't shoot that guy.
Status reports.
Got that, Big E. We'll join the cap and wait for your further orders.
Damn, that time. Oh, I'm stalling.
Confirmed kill.
Okay. Don't know how to keep from stalling. Okay.
Our steering's still out. Returning to broadside. USS Balch leaving position for safety. Enterprise's course is just too unpredictable.
Oh,
Rudders repaired and serviceable, sir. We have directional control.
are you kidding me?
Good. Nothing keeps the Enterprise down for long. The fires are out,
That's an
but we're still
enemy, right?
tackling ballistic.
Got
Yes,
that.
that was it.
Scouts to continue waiting.
I'm fucking terrible.
Enemy taken out. Throw them out of the sky, sir.
Ah. Okay.
Enemy aircraft incoming. Enemy air forces are inbound. We're taking fire. Alright, I got me another one.
God.
Throw them out of the
They have
sky.
tail gunners. God. That sucks. Oh, so wow, I went straight into a stall. Good job, me. Real proud of myself.
Enemy aircraft incoming. That's a confirmed kill. Enemy fire is being directed at us.
Uh-oh. That was a bad idea. God. No.
Enemy squadron destroyed, sir.
Fucking terrible. Okay, I'm getting behind this motherfucker. I don't care if you have tail gunners. Beat the shit out of you.
Enemy plane is going down. We nailed him, sir.
He barely got out of my reach. Oh, turn up, please. Okay. I hate the side gunners. They're just so hard to control. Please don't kamikaze
That's a
me.
confirmed kill.
Biatch.
We got one.
Uh-oh.
Intercept was successful. Bogies are down.
So I need to take these guys. Oh, they already killed him. Meow. And
Enemy aircraft incoming.
I got you once.
That's a kill.
There we go. How's that guy red?
Situation is under control on Enterprise. Prepare to launch attack plane squadrons. We're ready to go.
I hope this is in it. I hope this is entertaining to y'all.
Anybody seen our top cover? We'd kind of like to have some little friends to protect us. Bombers, this is your escort. We're in your six, catching up right now. Well, that's what we want to hear.
4 bombers. God, stop. Don't get in front of me. Stupid idiots. Uh-oh. Why? Why?
Sir, USS Wasp is radioed. They're refueled and are heading towards us at flank speed. The battle will be long over before they arrive. They should have stayed with us in the first place.
Oh, jeez. There we go. He keeps turning out of the way as soon as I'm about to start. Are you kidding me? I was trying to get it to stall, but I stalled it the wrong way. The only chance that I have is if I get them as they're coming in.
Enemy aircraft incoming.
What is shooting me? If you take out that guy. Hey, the juke left. Juke right. Would you stop? He's still hitting me. Alright, I'm going now.
Intercept was successful. Bogies are down. Sir, we've lost contact with our squadron.
Oh, I hate my life. Oh, they're over here. I don't understand.
Enemy taken out. Enemy squadron has been taken out.
Aha. Sucker. Okay.
Enemy air forces are inbound. Enemy plane is going down. We've blown them out of the sky, sir.
They're running.
We're on your side, goddammit.
Did I shoot my teammate?
Enemy squadron destroyed, sir.
Okay.
We're almost there. Keep them off us. We're doing all we can, bombers.
I'll get him.
Enemy ship in visual, sir.
Will you look at that? Clarify, pilot. What's the situation? Sir, a Japanese supply formation is straight right in the middle of the battle. Well, we can't pass up an opportunity like that. Attack planes. Knock out those ships.
Okie dokie.
Commencing runs on the Japanese transport, sir.
Oh, no. I don't want to hit the engine. I want to hit the... No, not the engine. Am I even hitting it? Oh, you motherfucker. They're shooting. They're shooting. Yeah. Motherfucker. Motherfucker, you don't want no this. Oh, I am terrible at this. No. Well, that's how you do not bomb a ship. I was showing you guys just in case you didn't know. This guy started at a terrible place. gotta have a tail gunner. Oh, they just... Okay. Don't stall. I guess I did take it down too much. I was entering bomb mode, and it still didn't enter bomb mode. Uh-oh. I thought it was A and I kept pressing A and it didn't do anything. Don't stall. Stop stalling.
Hey, we're going down.
Well, I need to do this anyways, because at least now I know what to do. I wonder if I'd actually be able to hit one from here. I'm gonna wait. Sorry guys, I stopped talking for a second. I was concentrating super hard. Oh, that was a bad idea. Why did I do that?
I'm going down.
God. Ah, you know what? I'm just gonna go freaking kill all of them. Actually, you know what? Nah. I wonder if I can run into my own bomb. Nope.
I'm hit. I'm going in. I've lost control. We're taking fire.
None of that happened.
Operation failure is under threat. Heavy American attacks. Assistance required.
We've blown them out of the sky, sir.
Would you just kill yourself already? How many of you are there?
Squadron is down.
Friggin'
Lost one of our squadrons, sir.
You know what? The next one I'm kamikazing. I'm kamikazing you.
Enemy air
I
forces
should
are
have told you that
inbound.
first.
Oh man, we hit one.
You can't shoot me. I'm gonna kamikaze you. Hello.
No!
No. I was gonna restart. Back off, I take you on. Back off, I take on. Do it, banana.
Enemy air forces are inbound. Enemy aircraft incoming.
Wait, did it completely restart me?
Oh man, we hit one.
King Leader's flight deck has been penetrated. We've got emergency firefighters in place, but we're lifting. All deck operations are on hold while we clean it up. Fighters, stay on top of the enemy. Roger that. We'll sweep the skies clean of Japanese planes.
At least I know how to play now.
Incoming!
That's a confirmed kill.
God!
Enemy aircraft incoming.
I freaking... I need to learn not to do that. I really do.
Fox to King, are you hurt? King has multiple wounds. Are you able to continue? Carry on as normal, Fox. We don't need backup.
That's smart.
That was a lucky shot. Our rudder's out. We've lost directional control.
Okay.
Enemy fire is being directed at us.
Oh, I hate you.
Enemy plane is going
You-
down.
Okay. You fucking would, you piece of shit. You fucking turd as he
That's
died.
a kill.
He's in
Check
it.
your course, Enterprise. You nearly hit us.
Why does it have a mark?
The steering room's blocked by debris. We're working our way through it.
Who are you?
Well, the hit is hard, that's for sure. The rudder's jammed. We've got to circle. Cap, lend assistance to King. Roger that, sir. Looking for incoming
Enemy squadron destroyed, sir.
Oh. Okay.
Enterprise, this is SPD. We're on the way back. Request landing slots. No can do,
What's the
SPD.
matter?
Landing is unsafe at this time. Stand by for status reports. Got that, Big E. We'll join the cap and wait for your further orders.
Enemy air forces are inbound.
Our steering's still out. We're turning to broadside. USS Valve leaving position for safety. Enterprise's course is just too unpredictable.